Learning how to manage your eyebrows is essential for a polished look, whether through plucking, trimming, or even waxing. Begin by determining your ideal brow shape using a simple pencil guide to ensure the beginning, arch, and end complement of your face, filling in any gaps with a brow pencil or powder. When plucking, focus on stray hairs outside your desired shape, starting from the bottom, and being careful not to over-thin the head of the brow or remove too many hairs from the top. For trimming, brush hairs upward, then downward, lightly snipping any that extend beyond the brow line, though professional trimming is recommended to avoid mistakes. Remember that eyebrows are not meant to be identical. Embrace their natural differences. For quick fixes, use a barely damp toothbrush to comb brows into place. For a more defined look, draw your desired shape with a pencil before plucking and then blend. For longer lasting results, consider using home wax strips, ensuring you understand how to draw natural looking brows. Or visit a professional salon for expert shaping and a less painful experience. Lastly, a unique tip for smoother, more manageable brows is to apply a little conditioner in the shower.